All right, it's Thursday, December 7th, just following up on Google. You can see here after that first bar up, and I bought it pretty early at the lower blue line, it decided to pause instead, but it kind of just held within this first bar, and now it's making its push up to the targets. Just to play it ultra safe, as I saw it working its way up, I decided to scale out at the highs of the day. So I bought the stock at 139.05. I had an initial order to scale out at 139.70. That would have been the first push up if it continued, but since it paused and then came back up to the highs of the day, I just exited 139.50, scaled out, and now, that kind of lowers a break-even stop down to kind of this area right in here. If it wants to kind of fail and come back into this range, then I could do no worse than break even. I still like to hold on. You can see here, yeah, it hit 139.70. That's what I expected. And now we see if it kind of works up to this, 141 area, psychological 140, then the 141, there are targets up here. So after a little bit of a delay, I still held on, and now we're getting the move up. Again, on this gap up, I like the way we were definitely, after making lower lows down in here, now it looks like we're making higher highs up to here in the big picture, and certainly on this little target here was a high probability play on this gap up. But if you didn't buy it here on this first bar, I was aggressive, then you could have easily waited for kind of this 2 down 2 up right in here for a secondary buy, and that would be a nice trade as well. So moving up nicely now, no risk. We'll see how much higher it wants to go directionally on the day. Definitely a good stock now to hold on to. And I even think in the bigger picture, it's likely heading up to some of these highs up here to start, and we'll even see if it can break out of there eventually. But for now, good no risk trade.